The year is 2100. Earth survived the brink of extinction, barely. The oceans calmed, the skies cleared, but humanity's scars run deep. But tonight, as the world sleeps, a cloaked object slips silently into lunar orbit. Invisible to human eyes, it transmits a low, steady pulse, a signal meant for someone or something beneath Earth's oceans. And so begins the first chapter of a test humanity didn't know it was taking. Earth 2100. The climate collapse of the 2060s reshaped the world. Flooded coastlines erased cities. Water wars shattered alliances. Now, new powers rise from the ruins. Neo-Cairo, the tech capital of the New World. Nippon Core, an empire of cybernetic innovation. And the United Digital Territories, a collective of city-states run by the world's first artificial intelligence council. Beyond Earth, the lunar colony Lunaris-1 watches the stars, part observatory, part fortress. And above them all, the Proxima Centauri signal has pulsed every 37 hours since 2098. No one knows what it means, but it's not random. And it's not stopping. Dr. Cale Voss, Earth's leading exoanthropologist, is summoned to Lunaris, not by politicians, not by generals, but by an AI council desperate for answers. On Lunaris, Isla Rena waits, a part synthetic diplomat representing the United Digital Territories. Half human, half machine, with emotional glitches no engineer can explain. Commander Reese Omar, the station's military leader, prepares for the worst. He's been here before. He lost everything last time. The team assembles. Their mission: decode the alien pulses before something else answers them first. As the team studies the Proxima signal, something strange happens. Isla's synthetic core reacts. She feels something machines aren't supposed to feel: fear and recognition. The pulses contain ancient Sumerian patterns buried beneath layers of alien code. Voss stares in disbelief. "Impossible," he whispers. "Someone's been here before, thousands of years ago." The question no one wants to ask now hangs in the air. Were we ever truly alone? A probe is launched to the far side of the moon. What it finds should not exist. A chamber, millions of years old, hidden deep beneath the lunar crust. Inside, carvings, symbols, genetic sequences, and then the impossible. Human DNA is encoded in the crystal. A warning? A message? Or something else entirely? Omar orders the area sealed. But it's too late. The signal grows louder. And no, it's transmitting back. That night, Isla, who does not sleep, dreams for the first time. In her dream, a voice echoes through a dark void. "We planted you." The test begins now. She wakes, disconnected from her neural net. And then, Earth's core temperature rises. Not from within, but from something beneath the crust. Something ancient. Something awakening. Panic spreads across Earth AI councils and human governments. Was this world always ours, or was it borrowed? Voss looks to the stars. This wasn't first contact, he says. It was the first test. But who are the testers? And what happens if we fail? The episode closes as a second signal emerges. This one from the asteroid belt. And so, the story of humanity's hidden past and uncertain future has only just begun. What do you think? Were we meant to find the truth, or were we built to be part of it? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Let's Imagine as we travel to the year 2150, where the real war for survival begins.